Do you know you only need 6 things to create a successful Facebook marketing campaign and take your business to the next level? Usually, marketing campaigns fail because they don't produce results. There are many theories on why marketing campaigns fail. It could be wrong focus, it could be more product centered, it could be budget, copy, targeting, people, human mistake, timing, you name it. But there is only one thing that actually needs your greatest attention, that is, understanding who you are targeting. Marketing campaigns usually start from a perspective of what do we sell. It is great and, of course, huge part of the campaign. But business owners here look at their product and service and they think, how are we going to better deliver to our audience? How are we better than our competitor? From this point, the campaign becomes more product centered rather than customer focused. And fun fact, 99% of your audience doesn't give a damn about your product. Your audience have a problem that they need to solve. If you're good enough and solving the problem, brilliant. If not, you're useless. So how do you make yourself useful? By finding the relevance point. What do I mean by relevance point? It is a point of conversion between what you want to say and what actually your audiences are interested in. So how is this relevance point actually relevant to creating a successful Facebook campaign? This is associated with 6 steps. Let's dive in. First thing, before you start running ads or think about what to run, we are going to analyze the ad account by breaking it down to placement, platform, devices, etc. And the ultimate goal is to find winning patterns. If there is no previous ads running in the campaign in the business manager, you can literally skip this part. So after analyzing the ad account, you probably would have a document or note telling you what should you focus on the campaigns. After this comes a second point where we do the market research. When we speak about market research, it can be a lot of things. But my best tip is to find answers for questions like what are the other campaigns that people run in my niche that are successful? What is the pain point of my customer or audience that my product solves? What are the uncertainties that my customer faces and what stops them from purchasing? Aim for the low hanging fruit. Now that you have a clear understanding about your audience's likes, uncertainties, and dislikes, and also a clear understanding about what others are running in your niche, you know what to do. It's time to create ads. And you start by creating custom audiences by targeting your Facebook and Instagram engagers, maybe website visitors, and target them to the low hanging fruit. Even you can also do upselling to your past customers. If you don't have any low hanging fruit or if you're just starting out, no problem, it's okay. Where are your audience in their buying cycle? Before you start creating ads, targeting your low hanging fruit to the people, you should have a clear idea about where your audiences are in their buying cycle. Once you know this will exactly help you and tell you what you should write in your ad copy. For example, if you are retargeting people who have visited the checkout page or booking page but not completed the order, then you target more on a close. Your ad copy should focus on the close. But if you target Facebook engagers or page visitors, you should be focusing more on the product features or benefits and how it helps them. Creating top of the funnel ads. If you have any warm leads or hot leads that you can retarget from step 3, that is amazing. Now you have an automated sales machine working for you 24/7 and bringing you revenue. But if you're just starting out and if you don't have any leads, we got you. All we have to do is, based on the information we had from previous steps, we are going to create audiences, understanding who our audience might be and what might be the interest of them. And we are going to create at least 3 saved audience in the audience section. If you're running ads locally, the audience size might be small, it's okay. but internationally or nationally it can be ideally between 500,000 to 2 million. Now that you have your saved audience ready, the final step that you have to do is to try and understand where your audience are in their buying cycle. For example, imagine that you have a running e-commerce store which sells shoes that will solve knee pain for athletes. You can literally target people who likes running and knee pain kind of pages, and you will be selling them much easier rather than the others because they are already aware of the problem. All you have to do is to show them why your product is the best. But in other cases, assuming that you are targeting completely new audience who don't even know their problem is, then in this case you have to try and add a bit of storytelling in your copy. You have to educate them and don't try to sell them immediately. Congratulations! Now that you have created your first lower funnel and top of the funnel campaign. These two campaigns work on a perfect balance that one brings new customers and the other one makes sure that every customer who is coming into the funnel is purchasing. This is so good that this will literally help you grow from 0 to 1.5. With all that said, it is just tip of the iceberg. You probably have a lot of questions, and this is what we teach at a higher level in our classes. And if you have any questions about your business, your audience, your campaigns, your structure, you can see a link here below or in the description or in the bio. Go book a call with us and we'll get that sorted. Until then, see you next time.